Popcorn business. So today let's talk about this popcorn business. Yes, I'm talking about popcorn. So you might ask yourself, how can one even earn from popcorns? Because this one is something very cheap. So you might be wondering, did you know that someone making popcorns can even make 80k per day? Did you know that? People making popcorns can even make 100k per day. So this is the trick under popcorn. So hope guys you're doing well. Welcome again to our channel Annual Living. This is the channel for you where you learn about business and other business related tips, things like that. So let's talk about popcorn business. So popcorn, this is a type of, can I call it even a snack? Yes, this one is made from corn, but the yellow corn. So ingredients for making popcorns are very less. You can either use sugar. If you've not used sugar, you can use salt. There are different types. There are those ones who need for salt and those ones who need for sugar. So you can use either sugar, salt, cooking oil. That's all. Imagine salt or sugar, cooking oil, and your corn. That's all. So the other things needed here are, you can either get a machine. There's this popcorn machine here in Uganda. You can get it in Katwe. This one is around 250k and going beyond, depending on the size on what and the material you really need it into. So if you need a bigger one in size, things like that, saucepan size bigger, like that, things like that. So depending on that, but all these machines range from 250 and going beyond. So how do you earn into? How do you get to earn from these popcorns? So here you need to be more creative because many people are making popcorns. So these popcorns are liked by children and also old people, others when they are going for movies, things like that. So many people eat popcorns. Me too, I also like them. So this is something which you can make easy money from it and it doesn't take a lot. So first of all, here you'll need a machine. You'll need a machine. So a machine is around that money. Then you'll need some good location. It could be around a busy place, near a school, things like that. Then you also need good packaging materials so that you can also pack and supply others. So another thing here, you need to be also creative in terms of supplying and advertising your product. So here comes your business. So after setting up, getting your machine, get those good packagings. Even if you don't have all that much, you can use these simple polythene bags. That pack is always 2000. They are of different types. They are that one of 1500, like that. So depending on which one you like, then if you can go more advanced, then you can use like parcels, things like that. You can even brand them, because here what we are trying to talk about, or here what we are trying to do, is we want to promote something so that everyone can enjoy it. So we have to like consider branding more, because when we brand it, we give it a good packaging, then we shall be trying to show that our product is really, we shall not even be trying to show, we shall be showing that our product is really good and it's standard. So this is what you do: make those packaging very well, pack your popcorns very well, then supply to other people. You supply it to other people, give them at a discount, then you will be able to get some good amount of money. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to get these corns, these yellow corns. You need to get like a sack from somewhere in villages or other places. You can get suppliers. Even here in Kampala, you can't fail to get those ones. The supplier to supply you those corns, then do those cones. You can also do them from home, or you can also do them from any place wherever you are. Then go marketing, looking for people who you can supply. Then also people will get to know your location. Then others will be coming to pick them for themselves. So if you are near the roadside, or if you are around a busy place, most people will just be coming to pick them. So, and another thing, some people also pack them for their children going to school, because children like these things which crack. So you won't fail to get clients for your popcorn. So popcorn business is one of a business which you don't need a lot of capital. As long as you have 300, you can also start up this kind of business. 300 and beyond, any amount of money you have, you'll be able to start up with it. And if you can't afford the machine for the start, you can do them with a rice cooker. A rice cooker is a bit cheap, but it will take some more time compared to a real machine. So you can use a rice cooker, you can use a real pan. So you can use anything to make them, but the machine will be better as it is quick, because there is a saucepan inside. As you'll be pouring down, then adding, then packing what you've poured. So the machine is somehow easier when you're making these popcorn. So have you ever thought of this kind of business? If you are doing any other business, then why don't you also add it onto your business? Because this one doesn't need a lot of space. You can put it outside your veranda like that. So if you are doing any other kind of business, you can think of adding this popcorn business. You will be able to get something more which you wouldn't even expect. So that's the popcorn business. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Yes, you can also try it. You can also suggest it to your friends, those who already have businesses. Think about this one. Yeah, you know, everything when you're starting it, you don't start it wholesale. No, we start one by one. So add this kind of business. You can also add it there. Yes, it can also be a side hustle. If you're having a job somewhere else, then you can do this one in the evening. It can be your side hustle. You can help you to get money to pay for your data. It can also get you money to pay your rent, things like that. I'm telling you the truth. This one I'm talking out of experience, because I know someone who is making some good money from popcorns and is already famous only doing popcorn. So you too, you can also try your luck, because never doubt yourself. Yeah, so that's it on popcorn. So if you have any question, or if you want to inquire, or if you want to know where you can get those popcorns, then well and fine, just leave a comment in the comment section. I'll read it and I'll be able to reply you. Thank you for watching once again. And if you're new to this channel, also kindly consider subscribing, also liking this video. Thank you and bye.